Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are back. We have internet. It is Friday. I'm still sniffly. All of the above, yes. Good morning, Scott B. Yes, the interwebs are good to go. Houston, we're clear for takeoff. Absolutely. For some reason, my computer decided to restart on its own. So I gotta pull this playlist back up to get the music going.
ILAGUAV.
It's like extremely quiet for some reason. Hey, good morning, Adrian. AC. Yeah, ACs are always ready in Houston. There we go. What's up, Discipline? Good morning, good morning. Yeah, I am, I'm feeling good. Still a little nasally. I'm feeling good. Yes, internet is working. So far, so good. It finally, fully came back on yesterday evening. VEE watch. That one shares a FRZA, which IPS. Okay, sweet. Is that the one that was like the Tesla of boats or something? I remember that coming out. Give me just a second to do a couple more things here. Yes, okay. The Tesla of boats. Whoa, what was that? All right, that's good. I think we're good to go. Yeah, internet is full speed ahead. My nose is clearing up, but it's not quite there yet, but it's clearing up. Market's still up. Yesterday was another day I should have left at like 10, 15. Everything after was trash. Hey, Jordan, good morning. Good morning. Let's see what we got here. I can't believe it worked as long as it did on the hotspot yesterday. And then it came back, clutched up, and then after that, it decided to go out, go in, go out, go in. It went out while we were in a trade, if you guys remember, which was fantastic. Somehow it worked out, though. Should have just walked away after that trade. You guys taking any trades yet today? I see spies hanging around. Help 420. What's UBX? Never heard of that. Hey, Simon, good morning. No trades? Okay. Yeah, it looks like this came out at 7 a.m. maybe? 7 a.m. news. Look. Yeah, positive phase 2 Behold study with diabetic macular edema. Cool. Looks heavier. Looks thick. But that's kind of been the theme the past couple days. And it looks like it kind of ran a couple days ago, pulled back, and then now it's up again. WETG. Is that one finally moving? Must have had another PR this morning. Yeah, my gosh. So something happened at 7 a.m. on that too. WETG. Announces $50 million sale of monkeypox virus test kits. So they just keep having monkeypox news. This time it actually stuck. I feel that. Expert at missing movers and buying the duds. That sucks. Hey, bro, good morning. Good morning, good morning. We have full speed internet this morning. Twin V Power Cats. And you said that FRZA.
SMSI.
What's that supposed to IPO at?
SOPA.
Forza Innovations. No, that's not right. FRZA. Is that like the? No. EV sports boat developer. Okay, gotcha. I see the connection now. I see the connection. I was like, is this Forza like the racing? $3 million IPO at $5. That's very tiny. That is very tiny. Oh my gosh. Pricing of its initial public offering, 3 million shares of the company's common stock at price of $5 per share. Interesting. Well, it was nice getting to watch. Yes, feeling better now. I feel good. Just still nasally. 3 million at 5. Okay, cool. It's nice getting to watch the Patriots last night, even though they didn't play any starters. They were literally playing against the Giants starters. They held up pretty well. They lost at the last second, but I mean it's preseason. But thought the backups did pretty well. The new rookie wide receiver scored a touchdown, so that's cool. So UBX 120 was the 200, it's over that. A little bit of res 135 is over that, so it's all the way up here, huh? So 185 res, which is kind of what it went to. So this is the level we're screwing around with right now, 185. Over that, $2, I guess. Broncos country, let's ride. That's what I have to say to that, Potsy. Think about picking Jerry Jeudy up in some late round fantasy picks.
KPRX.
I think he's going to do good with Russell. I think he is. Don't steal my idea. Or steal it, I don't care. But if he slides, that'd be a good pickup. Because he's a good receiver. All right, it's pushing up. High day here. 187, 188. Kind of weird volume influx there. Yeah, see how the chart kind of held all morning, you know, holding the 90 EMA, holding the lines, coming back to VWAP, you know, flagging a little bit. And then at 8:09, something turned on. Somebody logged into their algo computer and hit buy, and now it's just doing this swoop. Every candle's higher than the next. It's kind of a straight up, I call it the Nike swoosh.
Sida.
Yeah, I think so, Posy. I think so. And their running back's good too. His name is slipping my mind. I could talk NFL all day, but I can't think of his name. But he's good. He's good. Think Equity is a book runner for Ford's IPO. Most recent IPO was MAIA. Yeah, Williams. Looked at others. Some pop and fade, mixed results. Yeah, and IPOs in general have been pretty hot. So I think it could pop. Okay, this thing's just going. As you see, it's continuing this just swoop. It must be getting the algos that have been pushing the thick stocks lately. Because this thing is, I would have to guess it's 67 million float. And it's just shredding it. Volume, I hate how this thing pops up every time I hover over and try to make an example. But the volume, you see below my cursor, upticking like in a perfectly straight line, and then the price as well is just disconnected from the chart. The 8:09 a.m. algo, huh? So 2 was the next target right there. Over that 220, I mean, this just keeps having target after target. 220, 250, 285. How significant is that news, though, is the question. Is it just a trading body right now, or is this actually, like, extremely significant? Statistically significant. Appreciate you guys coming back over and over and over again yesterday. That meant a lot. You guys just didn't give up. We went out a few times. We froze up a few times. You guys are still there. Support. Love it. That smiley face, this one reminds me of the little potato things that we got in elementary school. Like the little smiley face potatoes. I never liked them because they were like so much potato, and I like crispier, you know, crunchy fried potatoes. But if you dumped some ketchup on them, they were all right.
UBX.
That's exactly what that smiley face looks like, though. I guess I could put the news over here, but I don't know where to put it. I'm out of space. This thing's massive. Especially like when the time comes out, I usually pull it down to make it bigger so I can see. But this is just way too much in the way. You think they ever sent LQDA? So it's probably going to be one of those that like everybody's like, okay, I'm getting sick of waiting on this. And then it finally goes. And a chart that I can think of specifically is SIGA. Like this thing was almost going to break out for like 3 weeks right here. Like, oh, it's happening. Nope. It's happening. Nope. It's happening. Oh, it's actually above trend line. Never mind. Under. Okay, we're failing. Just kidding. And then finally back above and broke out. Or one that's even worse. This one lasted for, not that, very. This is the ugliest thing I've ever seen. I hate this stock with a passion because, and I need to get these trend lines off of here, but because of this, it's just always in play within like a $2 range, and it's either full failing or ripping face, and it can't get through the level. But I think eventually LQDA should go. If the market stays stable. I'll say that. Put a little asterisk next to that. And you guys know this is not financial advice. As always. But, I mean, that chart, based on the chart, technicals, you know, all that. You'd like to see some increasing volume. I think that it looks that way because, yeah, volume's actually not that high at all. So volume confirmation of the breakout would be great. I know the Tim O'Connell guy loves it on Twitter. He's been talking about it forever. I don't even know what they do. Can't remember. A bio. Liquidia. Oh yeah, I remember they got that favorable patent review. That's what kind of spiked them up right here. I had earnings yesterday. It looks like it's climbing. You absorb so much low 5, it's just too high for me. Yeah, too high for you to help. Just hanging on to your shares and not selling, though, I guess will help. Yeah, in the headline it says, reports loss, but top revenue. Yeah, it just needs that volume day. Whoa. There you go. But the chart still looks good. Kind of boxed it up on the daily. I swear this is a real pattern. This is made up in my head, but it's a real pattern. It happens so often when you get like a bear flag that doesn't break down. It perfectly fills every time. 80M. Oh yeah. Yeah, I forgot about that one. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. It's right there. It's due for a move to 412. Speaking of chart breakouts, a sad one from yesterday. Thought we were finally ready. New egg breaks above the 50 SMA, getting a little volume, closes at low of day. They must be actively diluting or something. Something's wrong. Like, I really thought yesterday we were gonna go. Little daily falling wedge, poked out, above the 50 SMA, getting volume, smacked.
Casey, QNCX. DB.
There were some weird tickers running yesterday. Just out of nowhere. Oh, Sezin was doing the same thing.
HLN.
I'll be right back.
AEY. MCWSLNO. USWS.
All right. Kathy was a bid prop. yeah, it was weird. It was all her bios, huh? I heard, what was that? AEY on the scanner? Looks like an after-hour shove. What was it on, though? Good earnings.
You know.
Okay, cool. Good ER, I guess. Looks very volatile and a lot of selling pressure here. 185 to 210. Hey, MW, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. Welcome in. KAL Dad, dead. Let me look. Dang, I like the name. I have no insight to what this company does, but it looks like one of the ones from recent, you know, that kind of IPOs, fades off, and it may get a push if it holds, say, 250, 240. No volume really coming in. I don't know what they do. Let me look. Farm products. 17 million float. Yeah, maybe. I don't think it has a specific reason to go up. But the theme kind of before these Cathy Wood heavy bio bid prop stocks were running was recent IPOs that had kind of fallen off and faded. And was this its move, like to return back to the top? I don't know, because it went from 268 to 750 in 3 or 4 days. So maybe, but it all depends on if it gets the volume. It would need a big volume day, but it's holding 250 roughly. So that's your risk off. And then your first target, 350, and then the 50 SMA is all the way up to 620. But I would say like 350, you know, whole dollars, 4, 5, etc. But I don't know if it specifically has a reason to be up, but the chart and, you know, the overall setup for it is very similar to kind of things that have ran recently, if that helps at all. NEPT. So looks like that had an after hours PR yesterday as well. Got a straight up spike into a straight off sell off. What? All I see is an effect yesterday at 610. That's weird. An effect on what? Usually an effect is when they're doing an offering. Oh, here's the 8:30 news. Funny, NAPT got news. PALI offering. Upsize offering. Acer orphan drug designation for maple syrup urine disease. What kind of Canadian disease is that? And I'm sorry if anybody has this or anybody knows somebody that had this. The joke just kind of came straight out. But what is that? I've never heard of that before in my life. And if that was insensitive, I apologize. But often diabetes related. See, I'm just going to stick my foot right in my mouth. I'm just going to reel it back in, you know. Just kind of flew out. It's okay. It's all right. But orphan drug designation. So that's good overall for Acer. Hey, JD, good morning. They closed their TSX. Can be moving over to NASDAQ, NEPT. Okay. So that's what the effect was for? Hey, good morning, Jesus. Yeah, I've never heard of that before. It just sounds ridiculous. I'm surprised they didn't come up with a better name than that.
MCW.
Morning, Fernurky. VEEE just had a PR. Reports 158% increase in revenue, adjusted profits. Wait, was this already out? Sappy joke, even. That was like a ba-dum. Nice comeback. Was that fresh news on VEEE? Yeah, what are the chances of that?
HLN, Poly.
Am I missing something? Got no action on that at all. 158% increase in net revenue. I don't see it. No, I just see 830. VEEE was up on potential sympathy to the new FRZA IPO today. That's why it was up to begin with. Net sales better. Gross profit better. Better. Everything looks just like, you know, scanning over it. Revenue increase. Just gonna catch. Like, that was very weird. No volume. Sticky situation on that joke. You're right. You're right. It just kind of happened. Sorry if anybody has it. Promise I'm not insensitive. GHSI looks like it's priming. Pull it up down here. Yeah, those cheap pennies were running on TTOO over the past couple days, but yeah, I mean, it's got some room. It's a heavy one. It doesn't really like to move that often, but if this penny low, you know, under 20-cent theme sticks, then you know, you might get 25 out of it or something. You thought it was funny? Okay. Thank you, Adrian. Appreciate it. That is a crazy name, though. You gotta admit. So I'm confused at why this didn't get any reaction to that earnings that just came out. Like, it didn't get any volume at all.
UBX.
Keeping it up for a second. HSTT.
AQST.
Oh, I missed the 495. Yeah, it's got a gap to fill. I mean, at least a 64 on HSTT. I don't know. I may take a loss on this. Am I reading too heavy into this? I don't know. It just got bought up at 495. I just missed it. I was trying to catch that 495 ask. If it doesn't go, it doesn't go. Well, yeah, it's getting hits. Yeah, it had earnings. I took 499. Actually, it filled me at $5. Because it's not getting any reaction to the earnings. It read decent, you know. 2,500. I'm not even heavy. And I'll sell at 490 if I have to. I'm surprised it's not getting any reaction though. Is there a hidden wall at 5? There's 27,000 shares that have traded at 5. I'm beginning to question my entry here.
Ray.
It felt like one that was going to be a delayed pop at we're not doing anything.
Husa. Holly.
ASTR worth watching today? Okay. You have an algo on you? Why? On your swings?
LGMK.
Yeah, I don't know why this is not getting any volume. This is very confusing.
DDK.
It didn't get any sells or buys on a fresh earnings. The Broda algo. Yeah, I'm watching it. If it don't break through 5 in a second, though, I'm selling on this 497. I'll take my $73 loss. Look, I mean, there's been 33,000 on this ass that hasn't gotten eaten up. Why is skills running after poor earnings? Without even looking at it, for some reason this year, bad news has been good news, and it just traps shorts. Yeah, I'm going to get out for now, discipline, just because it's not moving. I may re-enter here in just a second. I'm going to go look at skills real quick. Yeah, it's up 3%. Maybe just because it was already so low. Was the earnings like terrible? The headline's 59% improvement in net loss quarter over quarter. Revenue declined by 22%. That's not good. Gross profit declined 24%. Net loss improved by 59%. So maybe that's the part. Net loss is better. from it lost 148 million in Q1 to now it only lost 61 million. Maybe that's it. I don't know. That's a tough headline to get a positive from. But revenue decline, gross profit decline, but net loss improved. So paying monthly active users decline. I don't know. Maybe because it was so low already. That'd be my only guess.
BOXL.
Did that really just break through that as soon as I sold out? I don't know. Something's weird with this right now. I don't understand it. And it's kind of making me not want to get back in. It could very well rip right here, but like there's no volume at all. And for something to already be up 25% and get fresh PR and not get any reaction. So you're in, I need to pull up ASTR and look at that too. Over 184. Yeah, the daily's trying to break out here. There's a little gap to 2. It tried to push there. Yeah, ASTR it held the flag. This is a big flag here on the 5 minute. The algo switched to sell when it's all you sell. Excuse me.
MLCRCEL.
Try it one more time. 1,000 shares. Nope.
LRMR, AXU.
I'll hold it a little longer since I only got 1,000, but I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, I don't really understand this action. Like it looks like it's gonna pop through right here and it gets right up close to it. And look at all the sales right here. These walls have been tiny, but 10K, 38K, 12K, 21K. So this is an algo refresh on the wall or big, huge hidden walls. Look how thin it is. I don't think I'm gonna trade this. Something weird is going on, that's for sure. Yeah, I mean, the daily hasn't been up here a long time.
GDXU.
Oh, Skill's got their new CFO from Blackstone. I love Blackstone. Wonder if there's going to be a buyout in the near future. Could be. Yeah, if it can get through this, I mean, the walls look thin, and I think that's what's kind of enticing people, but as well as like, let's wait to see if this actually gets eaten up, kind of thing. Like people are waiting to maybe slap 210 or 510, 512. Yeah, I couldn't tell you what I'm looking at right now. The volume's just insanely low.
AUY.
And I don't want to hit it with size because it's just going to absorb it. It's already traded 23,000 shares on this and hasn't done anything.
ONDO.
It's right back here again. I mean, what is going on? It's getting the buys, but the iffy thing is all this happening right here. And see, it broke through it. It started to hit, and then they put up another 503 wall now. I don't trust it. It can go without me. I hope it goes for you, Discipline. I'm not a fan of what's going on here. I'm gonna flip back through. I may come back to it in a minute. Okay, AY looks like trash now. WETG is the thinnest stock on the planet.
LAZR.
Neptune.
NCTY.
That looks terrible.
CENX.
Cool. Cool. I like it. I like hearing that. Okay, so I guess it was just a patience thing. You gotta let it buy through all. See, why? And this is the same amount of volume that it's had the past 20 minutes. What is going on? You guys saw it. I mean, I don't know what I'm looking at.
TWOU.
Decent ER for SSMT. Yeah, I mean, I guess I just had to buy it and hold it and hope, I guess. But, I mean, we had an insane amount of volume right here. So 38, 48, 58 to 60, 90, pretty much 100,000 shares traded within 4 cents here. And they just kept refreshing these walls heavy. In the past, I've gotten burned by that. Like, it'll just refresh on that and then absolutely fall the bottom out. But the second I sell, they're like, okay, he's out, guys. Let's send her. This is one of those scenarios where, like, having good risk reward and, you know, been trading for a long time, you've seen it all kind of thing, hurts you. Because as a newer trader, you're like, okay, this is a flat top. Through 5, it's going to rip. And then you just buy it and wait. And through 5, it rips. Experience is your greatest enemy and your greatest, you know, support when it comes to trading.
AQST.
Because you've seen midday offerings, you've seen fake out breakouts, 2021 candles. You've seen the worst of the worst, so you expect it on every trade. But when you're new, you can kind of play what you're seeing, or just buy even the PR. Oh, it had good earnings. It's up. There's a new IPO today. Let's just buy it and ride it. Volume's still insanely low. If this is at 6 in the next 10 minutes, I'm gonna be very upset, though. I know that much. But like I said, I feel like people were waiting until Anywho.
Fridayyyyyy.
Oh my god. What is this, man? It's so thin now. It's getting volume.
AEY.
Okay. Sure. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, that was some weird action.
MNMT.
Oh my gosh. I'd be up like 12, 1,300 bucks on my 2,500 shares here. I have 499 or 5. So I'd be up 1,250 if 550. Oh well, I guess.
Heads.
That was unfortunate. Risk management will get you sometimes. I wish TradeStation had the volume profile. I really do. Yeah, look how thin the volume is through here. And then about right, 540, 10, 8, 6, 6, 18, 6. I swear if it screwballs me again, I'm gonna be so upset.
CTIC.
Yep. Oh my gosh, I cannot trade this thing. What is it doing? Oh my gosh. Yeah, weekly looks good. It's got good earnings. It's got the catalyst today of the Tesla of, or no, this is the Tesla of boats. The other Tesla of boats, Forza, is coming out, an IPO. Whatever, I guess. I hate that I had 5, you know, and now I'm trying to buy 550 breakout, like in pre-market. Am I really interested in that?
JMIA.
Looks like it wants to rip. I don't know. I may give it one more shot if it gets up here. Oh my god, it filled me so high. I'm having really bad luck with this stock. Like, really bad luck. I'm gonna try to ride it for a second. I always do my orders a little bit higher than the ask to make sure I get filled. And it is just giving me terrible fills. I cannot believe it gave me 565. I was trying to get 559. Yeah, I'm not having any luck with the stock. I don't know. Am I off my game this morning or I'm just getting super unlucky?
Baby. CENX.
Oh my god. Literally on the wrong side of this trade every time. Decent bidders right here. I'm gonna try to ride it for a second. Volume's increasing. I'll risk this bidder here. Risk being down 500 bucks on this stupid thing. Come on, blow through it. Oh my gosh. All right, this is not my finest hour, guys. Sorry. Terrible execution on this stock. Terrible, terrible execution.
NEPT.
Selling pressure here, 560. If I can get out for a little bit of a gain, I'm just rolling because this is like my kryptonite stock. So I'm gonna let me out for 1 cent higher than what I have. Nope. See ya. Well, there's 400 bucks gone to this stupid stock. That is terrible luck. Oh my gosh. It doesn't get any worse than that, luck-wise. Just bad execution. Price action was opposite of what I thought. Wow. Oh well. Not trying it a third time, I know that much. Yeah, UBX is trying to push higher. Looks so heavy though. I hate trying to trade these heavy ones. I think that was my worst executed trade on stream by far. Can't believe it.
AUY, SNDL.
And then the second I try to buy the breakout through the top end, it fills me as high as possible. Yeah, now it's falling off a cliff. Okay, you can just die now. Thanks. Appreciate it. NEPT failing down.
JDST, BDRY.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait till after 9 a.m. news to try to take anything else, even if I do. Got about a minute and a half left for that. Well, we had a decent trade right in front of us, and I had the right position, but the execution was horrendous. So, Is what it is. Hopefully you guys made some money on it.
DB.
There's like a sloshing water sound in the background of the song.
LRMRCON.
Just gonna constantly keep a mitt in my mouth. Be curling a little bit. Like I said, I'm not gonna touch anything till after 9.
BLCN.
HLBZ, little fluffy PR.
CS.
That's about it. Nothing fresh at 9. Sega's trying to push this morning. It's up at 25.
AIB. ALPP.
BEE still hanging around 550.
Airs.
You think memes good today? I mean, they've been holding up. AMC's at 26.50 right now.
CFRX.
Sega up through 25. Just barely, but it's up through 25. Yeah, I feel like the memes are really attached to the market now.
AUY.
Excuse me. Sorry, guys. VEE finally falling under, so 530s now. It's a good breakout. I just botched it. Big time botched it. Is today gonna be Sega's blow off top day, or is it just gonna be another day of nonsense? Usually don't see much pre-market action in Sega, but it's actually trying to push up today. I don't know why.
GDXU.
TTO long and short start the day. That's good. I mean, that's your bread and butter. You can find one that's like SNDL. Yeah, there's not much set up for us at this very second. ORMP for continuation. Okay. Yeah. Over like 970, 980, which is what it's at right now. You know, 210 and 1075.
WTRH. DB.
This song's got a little bit of Stranger Things vibe to it. Not this part, obviously. Yeah, this part's a little strange, but the other part sounds like Stranger Things. Yeah, there's some good music on this playlist. I know. Yeah, I was screwing around on MEXC last night with Bitcoin. Actually lost some back. I'm at like $12 now. Because I was watching, you know, SPY come down to the level like 420 and hold right here. I don't know why that's like that. And I tried to take a Bitcoin long and it just kept falling.
PLTR.
Yep. Yeah, I'm caught up on Stranger Things.
ALPP.
Yeah, so
FPAY.
I think it was right here. Around 24.1. SPY was chopping around, holding 420 though, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna add in. This should curl back up. It had a push and a 2021 candle, and then it faded down, and now it just keeps fading down. Down to 23.7. So a little bit of head and shouldery look. Not perfect, you know, but head, shoulder, shoulder on the 15-minute. I'm sure Ethereum is very similar. A little bit less. Ethereum likes to channel. So it's kind of in a channel from 1850 to, you know, 1950 on Ethereum. VEE pushing back up again, over 550.
UBX.
Very strange mover. Just watching this action is so weird. Very, very strange action. Watch now. I got it up on the other screen. Very, very weird. Like, bids refresh, ask refresh. They wipe the bids out. It looks like it's getting volume to break to the upside, and they put in a huge refreshing ask. Very, very strange. Now it's up to 565.
LRMR. NEPT.
And back down to 550. Like, what is wrong with this stock? Whatever. UBX. Yep. Still looking thicker than a Snicker, but it is pushing. Yeah, I had 499 and oh my god, I'm so annoyed. I had it. I mean, I thought it was gonna go, and then it just, I don't like the price action on it. I still don't like the price action on it. But it is what it is. The blue Powerade. Yeah, I just botched it. I don't know what happened. Just could not get a good read on it. And then I thought it was like breaking out for real. And that was like the tippity top. So, whatever, that happens. I'm still human. I'm still learning every day. I've been doing this for 6 years now, and I'm still learning every day. Hard to believe I started dabbling in like, well, I screwed around a little bit in 2015, but I really started trying to day trade in 2016. Like, it's around June of 2016. It's about to push high today, 570 right here. There it is, 580. And I botched every second of it, baby. Moonshot, you still holding discipline? The 5 minute looks beautiful now. Looks like a, you know, a push up, 2 candle pullback into a flag, push higher. But the price action, and a lot of the way that I trade, especially in pre-market, is watching the price action and the volume spikes and stuff like that. And this was just a buy, hold, and hope, baby. No price action involved. Just get from A to B eventually type move. Ripping face off now. All right, guys, I'm gonna go blow my nose again. I'm gonna go feed the dogs. I'm gonna go get a Dr. Pepper, and I'll be back in like 5 minutes.
ALPP. UEC. GWAV. FPAY. BRFS. AEY. SCU. Time. DB. EMAR. Hold. UGP. ALRN. LRMR. YMM. RMED. OP. Yell. Sticks. PLXP. DMAR. STNE. Azul. BEE.
All right, I'm back. Ponytail momentum. Yeah, the thing straight up ripped, huh? All right, we got to get it in. What's it gonna be today?
TTT.
Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, that's weird. No.
BRFS.
Where are these letters at? So A's not here, or here, or here. L's not here, or here. It's not A.
GoCo. MEGL.
What? The E's not here, or here, or here, so the E's here. The A's not here, here, or here, so LA XEX.
BBLN.
A's not here, here, here. Okay, so A has to be there. E is not here, here, or here. E has to be here. Okay. So it's not. Try not to look at chat. LA.
YMM.
If this is something easy, I'm missing it. Laud, is that a word? Oh my gosh. LA blank E blank. Okay, let's work this out. Can't be laid. Okay. Law. Give me D.
RMED.
Lame. What the heck is this word, guys? All right, let's look. You think it's late? You think it's a double L? Okay, could be. Could be a double L. No way I would ever get that, though. I mean, I can give it a shot. Let me try to look through it one more time, unless you've already completed this and you know that's the answer. Double letter, man. I guess it could be label. We'll give it a shot. That's it. Great job. I'd have never got that, ever. Ever got that with the double letter. It'd take me all day to get that. I think I had too many options at the end. The old double letter, huh? So we got about 8 minutes still to burn. That's fun.
AEY. UGP.
AEY, dying.
FUV.
UBX still hanging around. So heavy though. Oh my gosh. It's insanely heavy.
AREB.
BLCN was the off-road UTVs. I feel like, I mean, sure, I guess it has General Motors in it, but I feel like it would be more significant if it said like General Motors is using Vulcan's motor, you know? But whatever, I guess it's today's the day for electric
AYTU.
power vehicles. Straight up. So it got the action off the PR, dump back down. Okay, this looks like it's dying. Somebody loaded, and then the rest is history. The rest do be history. Yeah, Astra's still hanging around. VLCM being pumped. Okay, see, I mean, I said it, loaded by someone, and the rest is history. So there you go. There's your explanation. That'll do it. That will do it.
LZ. CBD. Mo's.
What's the overall market doing? Still up? Yeah.
RKLB.
PSHG offering.
LRMR.
The shippers just offered to the end of time, huh?
STNE. CGC. INPX. Hive.
Yeah, I feel like my nasaliness is transitioning to a cough now, unfortunately. AMC top 3 gainer on volume.
SILV. ASTR. EFF. US double.
There goes Aster. It's on like no volume though, but we'll see if it catches some bids or something.
TCON. GERN.
The internet's been smooth today, knock on wood while I'm saying that, but sometimes it even, on a normal day, it would drop some frames, you know, kind of lag out just a little, but it's running smooth today. Appreciate the likes, appreciate the comments, guys. Thanks for hanging here with me. Appreciate all the subs. I saw some when I walked away. I was looking at the app. I got some extra subs that didn't show up, so if you subscribed this morning, appreciate it. MW is the only one that popped up. Thanks to my donors, thanks to my members, the inner circle.
PT.
Things holding up. VLCN bleeding back off. Got about 3 minutes till open.
DRCT. NDRA.
Hey, appreciate it, Scott. Appreciate it. You see the Mott's thing Bella just posted in the classroom? Look. Mott's thing. Expanding to veteran affairs, medical centers, pure EVS system, new commercial agreement, recent reverse split. Huh. Yeah, I didn't see that. Where was that news at?
APDT. MLC. SBS.
They filed their 10Q yesterday. Financial results. Maybe this is what it's from. Yeah, I had their earnings yesterday after hours on Mott's.
BRQS. KRBP.
SIGA falling into open.
Yeah.
BLCN falling. VEE falling. AMC pushing. Market hanging around. Got about 1 minute left. Moats is going. Mott's. Modus GL. It's a very sold off daily. It's got room to 5. That news was after hours yesterday though, and now it's just now getting volume at 9:28.
IQ. TMH. DMS. AUMNY. TMBRY. QUBTH. ABSI. KPRS.
All right, let's see what we got. VEE will push up, so I expect that to fade hard. Market pulling back. Wouldn't be surprised to see a hammer on that then. Oh yeah, I need to switch over to intraday. ALT with volume, I think I don't know why I hit the scanner. Yeah, I expect this to fade. Excuse me, sorry. Yeah, we're fading.
BLZ. WETG.
Big fail on AMC. Pull back.
LTRN.
Yeah, big pullback on AMC. Market pulling back for 21 to 80. Not really falling off a cliff, but maybe that was the short attack for AMC.
SVRE. HHS.
TGL open up halt.
EZGO. Turn.
Yep.
Turn. VEE.
Codex. Why was that down?
X8IR. Azul. Up. 6.
Codex halted up.
NGX.
VEE recovered a little bit.
VMAR.
VLCN.
LTX.
Straight up, straight down, straight up. Back to 255.
TK. ADAP. Sand. WETG. APCX. GRP.
A little bit of selling here on the open for the market.
SONX. NDRA. Alt. SVFD. XPOF.
OLO. The heck's that?
IMH. Turn. Zest. LKCO. GWH. LGMK. GCAH.
Okay, market curling now.
WH plus. NEPT.
Still selling off, but it's trying to hold this level. SKLZ buying the dip. Okay. All right. Sega pulling back. AMC still pulling back. VEE pushing up through. God, so annoying. I had $5 on that. $4.99.
LQDA, MDVL.
Straight up. AMC looking ugly. LQDA. Yeah, it's up to 6. Straight up.
YTEN. NSR.
Oh my gosh. This thing's just ripping. 684, halting up.
NEPT. Azul. BMAR. SBFD.
Broda Algo.
Cyan.
Watching VLCM, maybe to get some volume off of that, but I don't know if they're going to be connected enough.
AUDA. ALJJ, TTNP.
No, VLCN ain't doing anything right now.
EasyGeo.
VEE, though, straight up. That's crazy. I botched that trade so bad.
Agro. MRAM. EasyGeo. IVH.
Not seeing much this morning that's given good action at all. Like, at all. Even remotely good action.
AEY. MRAM.
AEY, little bounce. Yeah, I'm not a fan of the action today at all. Market bouncing.
GWH VRLT.
Yeah, LQDA though. Nice push out the gate to 6.
NSR Ronnie. PLXP. GRPH. EasyGeo.
AMC with the insanely strong selling pressure. Went down to the 205 just now, but very strong selling pressure.
NEPT. VMAR. ID.
QDA 611, so it's not really high volume, but it's pushing.
WETG. MYSC.
WETG, that's thin stocks pushing straight up.
GWH. AUY.
Wow, it's like a 60-cent spread. Yeah, look, LQDA, nice. Great job of swinging that one.
VIGL, FNCH. NSR.
MBTA, maybe trying to T2 right now.
DATS. BRLT. LRMR. WETG. EZGO. LQDA. Alt. AUY. QTEK. AUY. GRPH. GWH. EERG.
I want to see MBTA push back up through 515 if it's going to go. Struggling a little bit around 510.
LXRX. PAYO. AUY.
V went all the way to 740. Yo, look at this. SPY with the rippage. Yeah, a lot of things should be moving now to a more positive direction because of what SPY's doing.
XPOF. VLCN. OPAD. FTHM. ANNX.
MBTA testing the high of day here. 515, 518, 519.
TAYD.
Needs to keep pushing with volume. I took an entry, but I don't know.
DATS. SGBX.
Not having much luck this morning though, so I'm gonna move my stop up.
Payout.
This is like the first green trade I've taken all day, and it's gonna get me for $100. Yep. Okay. Well, there we go. Fake out, breakout there.
OPAD. KRBP. PBTS. XPOF.
VMAR, another E-boat play. Okay. Yeah, it's straight up. Yeah, skills. If you bought the dip there, you're in a good position. Now MVTA. Oh my God, I cannot stand that action.
TK.
Push up to the breakout zone and then fade all the way back down.
MREO.
AMC looking ugly, even though the market's pushing up. MBTA is just gonna go now. I'm off my game today, guys.
SPRB. PAYO Alt BRLT
Market showing some crazy strength today. It's crazy.
XPOF
Look at this. Straight up.
Agbar
I had to lock in a profit though. I had to put a profit stop. That's my only win of the day, and it's up $100. The action's faking me out left and right.
NYMTM PME KPLT heads PSTSTSTV GHSI UBX KPLT
You guys have any luck? I don't know. Am I off my game, or is this just like really bad price action? Besides VEE, this just went straight up. Zero trades. That's probably smart. That is probably really smart today.
EVLV IVH
I've tried a few things, but it's just been bad. It's been ugly. VEE, I had a perfect opportunity at 5. That's the only trade I really botched. And everything else, just the price action has killed me. This thing's just gonna go. Oh my gosh, I had it. All right, Scott B, go enjoy your day. Absolutely. I can't believe it, man. That's so frustrating. Oh, man. Every candle was a struggle until it got, I mean, even right here. From 555 down to 520.
TK IPX SIDU GPRK
Restricted as in what? Like I can't trade it on TradeStation? I'm not sure.
FGB PB
I'm really not sure.
RDS LRMR
It looks really ugly though. I know that.
CLBS VLCN
Okay. VLCN, I had open. Came down under the 9 all the way to 225. Got me out. Pushed back to 260. Price action is so bad today. So VE finally fading back. SPY really fading back. Can't trade. Okay. Says restricted, but no reason. That's weird.
VLCN.
Yeah, sometimes it just says on random stocks. Trading is restricted for this symbol. Oh yeah, forgot to get a Dr. Pepper.
Soho. TK.
I'm waiting for something else to pop up, and it's just not.
CIR. EQ.
They gave us
NWFL.
1 week of smooth action after a $7.80 to $2,500 run.
PX.
It's the least they could do.
CHPT. LQDA.
LQDA's doing it today, huh? Shoot.
USIO.
Literally have to keep a minute at all times or I can start coughing. It's a nice push. We were talking about it. Good job, Brodo. Yeah, that's great. That's huge.
VLCN.
The market is extremely volatile today for a Friday. Look at this.
PLXP. LQDA. VLCN. Sand.
Yeah, for real. Yeah, they're burning up some premiums this morning.
ELOX. RKDA. NSR. MREO. APCX. Turn. SVM. Orla. AEY. Wrapped.
So they got a little hammer off of 24. That's got to be what they're doing, huh? Just burning those premiums up. Sig a nice little bounce there off 24.
VLCN. Glue. VCSA.
Sig a 24.50.
AKTS.
24.60. I finally got a halfway decent trade. Get me back in the game for today.
BUZI. Airs.
Took 24.04.
GPRK XPOF.
Go, baby. Let's go, Siga. Come on.
VLCN.
Look at this bounce.
Soho.
I'm going to take
TTNT.
a little bit off there.
AEY. VCSA.
Yeah, B still screwing around right here. Really solid bounce there on SIGA. I really needed that. Intraday high 24.90, and it is right here. A little bit of a smash there. If we can get back up through high day through 25, today can be a good day for it. Volume's coming in. Look at this candle. 350. 350 green back above all the EMAs, above VWAP, all in one candle. Give us 30 today, Sega, or something crazy. Come on. Squeeze Berkey on Sega. Yeah. With my 500 shares. I wasn't about to go heavy because I was losing on literally everything. So, but I want to see this up through 249. Then a quick, burst 25. Definitely some selling pressure here, but it's from people probably buying in this area, scaling back down. I'm not going to let it fall back down, though. If it falls, it falls. And if it falls and rips, that's fine. I'll just lock in my gain and be done. But I think this can push through 24.90 here, especially with this volume. Recovered pretty much all of its losses in one 5-minute candle. So just get back above 24.90, push 25. Should be good to go.
MRAM, new.
Come on, it's being slow. Okay, 24.85 now. Here comes the intraday high test. 88. 89. Okay, so there's intraday high, 24.97. Coming up on the big coveted 25 test. Okay, through 25.
LQDA.
Okay, 10K bidder. There's my hero. If he starts to get smashed, I'll scale half. Yep, scale half. He got filled and it didn't matter. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Still needed to scale over 25 anyways. So I'm minimally red on the day now. I was getting smacked there for a minute. I could not get a good green trade going. This is looking good, though. This is the best SIGA's looked out the gate in a while. It's usually this, like, a little nonsense ticks and, like, algos, but it's actually getting good momentum. But second it starts to look weaker, I'm rolling out.
IVH.
Veru, oh no. Yeah, Veru's hanging around. I'm done trying to trade the sympathies on SIGA, though. There we go. We got some good pressure here. If it can get up through. Premarket high was 25.15. Looks like it just double topped it. Needs through 25.15. That's good to go. 08. Bids coming up. Looks like Algo's walking around. Here we go, 25.10. Want to see it up through 15, and then the high from yesterday was 25.30. This makes the daily look really nice now. Big hammer up back towards 52-week highs, 25.30. Just don't want to see it fade here. Need to see it, continue up. Closing this 5-minute over 25 will be big. Really don't want to see them within the last 1 minute of this candle, this hourly candle, this 30-minute candle. Close it under 25 and weak, but that's what they're trying to do.
IVH.
What are you gonna do, Siga? Little selling pressure. Want it to hold the 80s. Hold the 2480s. We have scaled some though. Okay, they did close the hourly and the 5 and everything under 25, so congrats to the shorts. Some hard work you're putting in. It could easily come down to, 24.75 and get me out. So let me do 70.
CIDM. SVRE. TK.
If we get back up to a strong test of 25, I might add some back into my core and then move my stop down to 24.88. Oh, okay, they smashed that bidder. Buying pressure came back in though.
DCTH.
Okay, that's what we want to see. Buying pressure coming back on the flush. Okay, move my stop to like right here now. So I want to see back to 25 here. There we go. Back through 25. Don't fade. Come on. Ew. Don't like that. That's an ugly wick. Refreshing wall now. All right, I think that's it for me. Yep. Got me out and slipped me, but it's okay. I mean, that's just the action today.
SVRE. TTNP. Poly. NCNA.
That's the QNRX 13G from the offering.
RGF. UBX. AVTX. LGMK.
What are you trading? Spy short?
LQDA.
Are you talking about LQDA pushing? Which one are you talking about? Broda?
JT. BLCN.
Oh, top short overnight. Nice. Good entry.
EMBK.
Watch this bounce now. It did hold 24.80. No, yeah, it did. Wanted to come scoop me up though. You can see the price action a little bit better on like this candle on the 1 minute. You don't like to see that. The push up, absolute smash back down. They're just lucky the volume came back in and pushed it back through 25.
BTB. CHCI. LQDA.
Well, I missed out on a couple cents this way, but we're back in for a little bit of action.
TTNP. BLCN.
Still trying to smash. Move my stop up to entry after seeing that upper smash level. Ew. What is this action today?
ANTX.
There we go. Bidder. Bidder increased. Bidder destroyed.
NOVN.
All right, see you later, Siga. All right, I think on that note, I'm only down $500 now. I was down like 1,400 for a minute. So see if I can get green, but I think I'm gonna call it on the stream. Appreciate you guys this week. Thanks for hanging with me. Thanks for being here. Thanks for all the subs, the new members, the likes, the comments, just hanging out, having me on a tab. I don't even care. You know, just having me in the background. Appreciate it. I hope you guys have a great weekend. I'll try to come up with some lesson video if I'm feeling okay this weekend. But I will see you guys all back here Monday morning, 8 a.m. Peace.